Cute boy. Who's the cute boy? It's Leo. Look at you. Look at your little outfit. Look at your little outfit. Yeah. Hey. You like to look at your friends on the wall right here. Your hedgehog and your deer. Right? Right? Whoa. Whoa. Look at your hedgehog. You looking at your hedgehog? And your deer? Ooh. What's in that mouth? What's in that mouth? What's the hedgehog doing? What's the hedgehog doing? What's it saying to you? Huh? Hello, Leo.